IKEA Organizational Culture has simplicity and high level of informality. It has been noted that humbleness in approaching tasks and simplicity in the way of doing things are cornerstones of the IKEA culture. For example, in IKEA US, only a few executives have business cards, and everyone is on a first-name basis and sits side by side at IKEA desk. And if you have an ego that needs stroking, IKEA is not the workplace for you.
I'm NADIA ALYSHA BINTI ZULKEFLI will be present about the value for teamwork. Executives who prefer to manage as a one-man show do not fit into IKEA's organizational culture. The Swedish furniture chain wants to ensure that it only employs individuals who share its values and value its culture. For this reason, individuals wishing to join IKEA are offered to take an online test that presents a series of 10 work-based scenarios with a choice of actions. The outcomes of the test informs applicants if they are likely to fit IKEA's organizational culture. A one-man shows mean that a person who does or manages just about everything. IKEA did not want the cultures that only executives do all the works. IKEA wants all the employees know how to do the works and can give a good teamwork in the organization.
My name is AINA binti Abdul RASID. In 2018, 70% of all employees and 40% of management in Inter-IKEA Group were women. They aimed to increase the representation minority group among the workforce. IKEA believes by recognizing differences among employees contributes to creativity and supports the business growth.
Hi, this is me, AMEERUL SYAKIRIN bin RIZAL. So the fourth IKEA corporate culture is frugality, which is come from their own founder. The late IKEA founder and the long-term leader Inge Kamprad was famous for his frugal money habit, such as driving a 1993 Volvo 240 GL for 2 decades and purchasing clothes from the flea market and getting haircut when traveling in developing countries to save money. A high level of frugality of founder has reflected on IKEA corporate culture to a certain extent in the way that managers at all levels are encouraged to cut costs in all areas of the businesses. And IKEA concept is a DIY to reduce labor costs and they use their warehouse to for their mall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad NAJMI HAKIM. The fifth organizational culture of IKEA is cost-conscious mindset. In the practical business world of today, this means that IKEA values encourage a constant desire for renewal and improvement and a cost-conscious mindset in all areas of operations, from design and material sourcing to production and distribution. They also imply a willingness in all IKEA people to give and take responsibility and to dare to be different with a meaning. IKEA encourage decision making in all parts of an organization. Making decisions sometimes leads to mistake, and this is okay. The fear of making mistake is the root of bureaucracy and the enemy of development. However, IKEA cost-conscious approach is not just limited to the aspect. Employees and managers are encouraged to be economical as well. It all begins from the top management, which is the founder of IKEA, who believe in leading by example, stay in expensive hotels and flies in economic class. This mindset diffused through the organization's pyramid to all employees. That's all. Thank you.